Yo, what's up guys? Today I just got the Xbox Cyberpunk wireless controller for Xbox. Here it is on the sides. It's kind of the normal stuff on the sides, and then the back right here. Just guys, it's like the ordinary stuff. It's actually a pretty cool background art, I'm not gonna lie. It's extremely different though when you have this dark red and black. Then you have this bright yellow. But I think it works quite nice. So I'm gonna pop this open because this will take me forever. I'll be back. Alright, so here it is. Opened it. See what it looks like. Alright, here it is. As you can see right here in the light, it's actually indented. Right there, as such. It's got this nice analog stick. Buttons, very new and nice. Let's take this out. The red triggers and the Wii button are nice. Then has the rubberized grips on the back, which I have not had on a controller yet, so that is extremely nice. And right here in the middle, this is also indented. This is indented too. So it actually looks really nice. The camera doesn't give it justice. Actually an extremely smooth looking controller. Even though it looks tough and stuff, it's actually really smooth looking. So, here's back to the box. 2 batteries as normal. That's what it always has. Open it up. He's got this stuff. You got these. I'm not going to show you the Game Pass code, but I need it. There's Game Pass. And yeah, it's kind of it. There's not too much to this one. These are just the manuals, so I'm gonna put those back in there, so I don't need them. Very standard stuff in here. But I think that's it. So, thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one. Peace.